ViewTech Borescopes is the leading provider of articulating video borescopes in North America, with over 3,000 units in service across a wide range of industries and applications. ViewTech's new VJ-4 video borescope combines cutting-edge imaging technology with an intuitive user interface, striking the perfect balance between performance and design. While utilizing your ViewTech VJ4 video borescope, the folder management system allows you to easily organize your inspection images and videos. This video will demonstrate how to create, add, duplicate, and delete both folders and subfolders, along with how to set a folder as active to accept inspection images and videos. To begin, from Live Image mode, press and hold the right control button to access the System Settings mode. With the default folder set as active, to add a new folder, tap, touch, or use the mini joysticks to toggle to the Create New Folder icon and input the desired folder name. Select OK or press the right control button to create the folder. By touching or tapping the folder that was created, the folder will then display a green check mark indicating it is the active folder. With the folder marked active, any images or videos captured will be saved here. To add subfolders, tap, touch, or use the mini joysticks to toggle, then enter into the active folder. Now follow the previous steps to create a new folder, enter the folder name, and make the folder active. For this example, we will add images to a folder with 2 subfolders. Once the folders have been created and the top tier folder is set as active, press the left control button to return to the System Settings mode and then again to Live Image mode. After capturing the inspection image, press and hold the right control button to access the System Settings mode, then press the right control button again to enter the folder management system. Next, select the active folder to view where the inspection image just captured is saved. Now tap or touch the subfolder, making it the active folder, and return to the Live Image screen by pressing the left control button. We repeat this process until the final subfolder contains an image. You will notice that a blue down arrow will display on the top tier and parent folders when the active folder is a subfolder. A helpful tip: while this video tutorial demonstrates how to navigate and add folders while using your VJ-4 borescope, folder structures can be created and preloaded onto the SD card from a PC or laptop. With the folder structure selected, simply copy and paste or drag and drop the files onto the SD card while it is inserted in the computer. Now to duplicate a folder or folder structure, tap or touch Folders, followed by Duplicate Folder, then make Active Folder. Note: when selecting Duplicate Folder, only the folders are duplicated and not the images or videos saved within. Finally, to delete a folder, tap, touch, or use the mini joysticks to select the folder option, followed by Delete. A prompt will display stating that the file cannot be restored after being deleted. The best way to experience the new VJ-4 video borescope is with our free enhanced demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.